All right, Roku is surging to the upside following a better-than-expected fourth quarter as it garners 70 million active accounts. While Roku provides a better-than-expected first-quarter revenue outlook and expects a significant decline this year in its operating expenses year over year. I love the work by the team over at Pivotal. They have just absolutely hammered Roku in their various notes the past 2 years. Always makes me giggle. But this line stood out to me. They're saying this morning the best thing that could be said about this result is that 4Q guidance was so horrific and implied that there was something specifically wrong with Roku's business model. And they go on to say that this quarter wasn't exactly great. They lost a lot of money. It just wasn't as bad as the horrific guidance Roku put out 3 months ago. Not exactly a ringing endorsement for this stock.
No, but there's a lot of relief being expressed in the stock
Yeah, we expect you to lose more money.
Sure, yeah. You know, I mean, I do think that even folks who are negative on it said this was a relief and was not, was, even if it doesn't represent necessarily a turning point here, there was a lot of encouragement being expressed. Yeah, I don't have anything like super bullish to say either on this thing, just that, you do have a rebound and sort of bounce back effect.
Yeah, it's still kind of a wait and see story here for Roku, especially considering the advertising story that you have to annex to Roku and the rest of the media and entertainment landscape, especially in the streaming front right now, and where that ad market is actually affecting them. That continued to be talked about on Roku's earnings call, and even with some of the enhancements in the number of streaming hours that they did see. They talked about the streaming hours reaching about 23.9 billion. That's up 23% year over year. Even with that, it still is going to come back to how many advertisers are willing to spend into these experiences for the streaming platforms as well to be able to benefit.
I mean, one other thing to mention about Roku is it also is focusing on expense management, right? Which we know is the buzzword that investors like right now. And it's also focused on EBITDA profitability and maintaining that. So that's also something that is positive for it.